Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok video without posting it as a draft. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's follow through. Launch the TikTok app first. In this example we are going to create a brand new post. Let's click on the lower center of the screen and hit the plus sign. Now let's take a look what we want to post right now. Let's click on this post over here and press next. In this particular example, we are going to create a simple picture post, right? You can edit multiple items on the right side. As you can see, we have text, we have stickers, we have filters. You can actually crop the image if it's too long, right? I can simply change it. I can zoom it in, zoom it out, right? It's all up to personal preference. Then you click save and boom. You can do some more adjustments over here. When you're done editing, all you gotta do is to press next. Please make sure that the whole post is crafted and everything is complete, because remember, after we save the post as a draft, there is no way back, meaning that when we come back to TikTok and we're going to publish it, the post has to be ready, everything has to be complete. So include your title, caption, descriptions. If you want to tag someone, if you want to add some hashtags, it's okay. Then when you're done, you want to scroll down, you want to include your location, and last but not least, this is where the magic happens, guys. Pay very close attention. Now instead of clicking post, you want to click drafts, and the video was just saved as a draft. Let me show you where is it. When you click on your profile, the video saved as a draft appears right over here on top. Now you have two options to post or delete the video as it is. You want to click on it. Then if you want to post, you have to click again and then click next and then click post. That's why I told you everything has to be already filled up. Don't leave any spaces, okay? But let's say we don't want to post it, right? Let's say we want to delete the video. We change our mind, okay? So first click on the top right corner, click select, then click on the picture, and then click on the lower center of the screen, delete. This is how simple it is to save a video as a draft. Where is the draft, how to proceed with the draft, or how to delete the video draft. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and of course follow for more.